here's the thing. The Lord always gives me songs. And most of them when everything's going wrong. It's not when everything's great, although he does give me some songs like that. But most of it is in these times. And even though I'm sad, it gives me joy. There's joy in the midst of sorrow. He really does that. This is called My High Tower. The Lord is my high tower. To him will I run. He is a fortress, tall and strong. The Lord is a solid rock on which my feet can stand. And when my world is shaking, I run to him. He is a fortress from the storm. He is a shade from the heat. He is a river that will never run dry. I drink and am completely satisfied. I drink and am completely satisfied. When my feet are slipping, I know I've lost my way. I call on him and always find him near. He spreads his wings about me and shields me in his hand. He leads me into promised lands. He is a fortress from the storm. He is a shade from the heat. He is a river that will never run dry. I drink and am completely satisfied. I drink and am completely satisfied. I drink and am completely satisfied. And that's what the Lord does in the darkest night. If we turn to him, right now I also have a grandson the Lord took home a couple of years ago. And his mom is running away from God. And I don't blame her. She's angry. She really misses her son. He was very big in her life. And that could be me. I could be angry and run away also. She still believes. She's just hurt. And you know what? Our Creator Redeemer understands that. That's what's so beautiful. It doesn't change his love towards us. And that's what I love about him so much.